exercise only. Question: the problem to be completed now. I am going to ask for problem 3. 4 plus 3a by 2 plus 3a into 4 minus 3. After that, this one is minus 3 plus 2 half minus 2 into 2 3 minus 8. This one is minus 5y into 8 by 8. This one is minus 5 into 2y. This one is 5 over 9. First 9 plus. Okay, remaining problems I will explain in this time. Remaining I will write here. 8th one is I power 9. 9th one is I power minus 19. 10th one is 3 into 7 plus 7i plus I into 7 plus 7i. 11th one is 2 plus 5y by 3 minus 2i plus 2 minus 5y by 3 plus 2i. Okay, Nana, listen. I will explain in 4th one. 4 plus 3i by 2 plus 3i into 4 minus 3i. In this complex number, we have to write in a plus ib form. That means 4 plus 3i by a multiplication of denominator 2 4 8 minus plus into minus becomes minus 2 into 3i is 6i. 3i into 4 is 12i. Minus into minus is plus. 3a into 3a will become 9a square, where I square is must be equal to minus 1. That means 4 plus 3i by 8 minus 2. Minus 6i plus 12i will become 6i plus 9. That means 4 plus 3i by 17 plus 16i. Already we know that the conjugate of 17 plus 16i, that must be written as 17 minus 16i. The rationalization, the conjugate of 17 minus 17 plus 16i, that must be written as 17 minus 16i by 17 minus 16i. That means 4 plus 3i into 17 minus 6i by, when it is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that I will write 17 whole square minus 16 square I square will write. That means 17 into 4, 68. That means 68 minus 4 24i. After that 17 3 is 15i, plus into minus will become minus 3 6 18. I into I is I square will write. What about the value of 17 square? Where 17 square will become 289. Square will become 289. After that 16 square is 256 we will write. That means 289, where I square becomes minus 1, minus into minus is plus, remaining is 256. The addition of both is 5, 14. After that is 5. The given value is 68 minus 24i plus 5i is minus 19i plus 18 will write. By the denominator is 545. 68 plus 18 16. 86 I will write. That means 86 by 545 plus I into minus 19 by 545 will write. Here, given it is of the form A plus IB. A plus IB. Now I am going to fifth one. Minus root 3 plus root of minus 2 into 2 root 3 minus I. 2 root 3 minus I. That means here this one can multiplied by entire term. That means minus root 3 into 2 root 3 minus I. Remaining is plus of root minus 2 into remaining is 2 root 3 minus I will write. That means plus into minus is minus 2 into root 3 whole square. After that minus into minus is plus root 3I plus 2 into root of minus 2 into root 3. That means root of minus 6 remaining is minus I root of minus 2 will write. That means their square and root will be cancelled. Remaining is minus 6 plus, here we have to write 2 into root of minus 6 that I will write. Remaining this is I root 3. Remaining is root of minus 6 that must be written as, we will observe in this root of minus 6. Root of minus 6 that must be written as root of minus 1 into 6. Where already we know that one formula I square is must be equal to minus 1. That must be written as root of I square into 6. That I have to written in this one will be written as I root 6. Remaining is 2 into I root 6 minus I into remaining. Root of minus 2 also will written as I root 2. We will observe in this one how to expand in this one. Minus 6 plus I root 3 plus 2I root 6. I into I will become I square. I square is minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. Remaining value is 2. Root 2. That must be written as root 2 minus 6. Where I is common. Remaining that must be written as root 3 plus 2 root 6 will write. When it is of the form A plus IB. It is of the form A plus IB. After now I am going to sixth one. Minus 5I into I by 8 will write. That means minus 5I into I, that will be written as 5I square by 8. That means minus 5 by 8 into, where I square is must be equal to minus 1. That must be written as 5 by 8. This I have to written as 5 by 8 plus I into 0 by 8 will return, and it is of the form A plus I into B. After now I am going to seventh one. Minus I into 2I, that must be written as minus 2I square, where I square is equal to minus 1. That is minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. That must be written as 2 plus I into 0 will write. Then it is of the form A plus IB. A plus IB. Okay, Rana. Now I am going to eighth one. I power 9, that must be written as I square whole power 8 into I will write. I power 8 into I will write. Here the bases are equal, then powers must be added. I power 8 into I is equal to I power 9. This I have to written as I square whole power 4 into I will write, where I square is must be equal to -1. That means -1 whole power 4 into I, -1 whole power 4 is 1. Remaining is 1 into I must be written as 1I. This become 0 plus I into 1 will return. Then it is of the form A plus IB. After now I am going to 9th one. I power minus 19 is given. This I have to written as 1 by I power 19. I power 19 that must be written as I power 18 into I will write. That must be 1 by I square whole power 9 into I will write. Where I square is -1, that means 1 by -1 whole power 9 into I will write. That is the given value is -1 whole power 9 is 1 by minus I will write. Here the numerator and the denominator rationalizing with I. 1 into I will become I by minus I square will write, where I square will become -1. That must be written as is equal to I by minus of -1. This is must be I. This must be written as 0 plus I into 1. Then it is of the form A plus IB. This is the value is I power minus 19. I power minus 19. Okay, Nana. Now I am going to 10th one. Tenth one is 3 into 7 plus 7I plus I into 7 plus 7I. We will observe in this one. Both has common term that must be written as 3 plus I into, where the given common term that must be written as 7 plus 7I. 3 can multiplied by this term. 3 7s 21 plus 3 into 7I is 21I. 7 into I is 7I plus 7I into I is 7I square, where I square is must be equal to -1. That means 21 plus 7 is 28I. Remaining is -7. 21 minus 7 is 14. 14 plus I into 28 will write when it is of the form A plus IB. Later, now I am going to 11th one. This is the last problem in this section. This is 2 plus 5I by 3 minus 2I plus 2 minus 5I by 3 plus 2I is equal to. By using the cross multiplication, that will be written as 2 plus 5I into 3 plus 2I. I will write in this one. 2 plus 5I into 3 plus 2I plus, here by using this one, 2 minus 5I into 3 minus 2I by, where the denominator it is of the form A minus B into A plus B, that will be written as 3 square minus 2 square I square will write. First, this term can multiplied by this one. 2 3 6. 2 into 2I is 4I. 5I into 3I is 15I. 2 5 is 10. I into I is I square. Remaining is 2 into 3 will become 6. Plus into minus minus. 2 into 2I is 4I. Minus 5I into 3 is 15I plus 10I square. By the denominator is 9 minus 4, where I square will become -1. We'll observe 6. 4I plus 15I is 19I. 10 into I square is -10 plus 6 minus 99. After that remaining is minus 10 will write. That means plus 99 and minus 99 will be cancelled. Remaining is minus into minus will become plus 9 plus 4. Here we will observe in this one 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 minus 20 by their denominator is 13. That must be written as minus 8 by 13 will write. That means minus 8 by 13 plus 0 I into 0 by 18 will write. Then it is of the form A plus IB. Now I am going to second section. Write the conjugate of the following complex number. Write the conjugate of the following complex numbers. I will told in previous class the conjugate of Z is Z bar, or also the conjugate of A plus IB is A minus IB. Here some problems are given. First one is 3 plus 4i. Second one is 15 plus 3i minus 4 minus 28. Third one is 2 plus 5i minus 2 plus 5i into minus 4 plus 6i. Fifth one is, fourth one is 5i by 7 plus i. Write the conjugate of the following complex numbers. The first one is 3 plus 4i is given. The conjugate of 3 plus 4i. Already we will discuss this type of problems. The conjugate of A plus IB, that must be written as A minus IB. That means the conjugate of 3 plus 4i will written as 3 minus 4i. After now I am going to second one. That is 15 plus 3i minus 4 minus 28. That is equal to 15 plus 3i minus 4. Minus into minus is plus. Remaining is 28. We will write. That means 15 minus 4 is 11. 3i plus 28 is 23i. We have to write the conjugate of 11 plus 23i. We will write. That means the conjugate of 11 plus 23i is 11 minus 23i. We will write. This is the second one. Now I am going to third one. Third one is 2 plus 5i into minus 4 plus 6i. Okay, 2 can multiplied by entire sum. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. 2 into 6i will write 12i. Remaining is plus into minus will become minus. 5i into 4 is 20i. Remaining is 5 into 6 is 30. I into I will become I square. That means minus 8 minus 8i minus 30 will write. Minus 30 minus 8 is minus 38 minus 8i. Okay. The complex number when it is of the form A plus IB, the conjugate of A plus IB will write A minus IB. We have to change the middle symbol only. The conjugate of minus a plus ib means here also change only middle symbol, that I will write minus a minus ib. No need to change first symbol. We have to change for only middle symbol. The conjugate of minus a plus ib, minus a minus ib also written as minus a plus ib. We have to change only for middle symbol will be changed. Additive inverse of whole complex number means then the complex number can multiplied by minus. Conjugate of a complex number means we have to change their middle term only. That means we have to write the conjugate of minus 38 minus 8i. I will write the conjugate of minus 38 minus 8i is, we have to change this middle symbol minus with the plus, that I will write minus 38 plus 8i will write. After now I am going to fourth one. What is asking in fourth one? That is 5i by 7 plus I will given. The conjugate of 7 plus I will become 7 minus I. Rationalizing the conjugate of 7 plus I will write 7 minus I by 7 minus I. That means 5i into 7 minus I by, where the denominator it is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that I will write 7 square minus I square. We have to multiply it in this one. 7 5 35, 35 into I, plus into minus will become minus 5, I into I is I square by the denominator 49, minus of minus 1 will become plus 1, that I will write 35i plus I by 50 will write. That means 5 by 50 plus I into 35 by 50 will write 5 1, 5 10, 5 7, 5 10. That means 1 by 10 plus I into 7 by 10 will write. We have to write the conjugate. That means the conjugate of 1 by 10 plus I into 7 by 10 is 1 by 10 minus I into 7 by 10 will write. This is the given conjugate of numbers for the following complex numbers. Okay, Nana. This is the given conjugate of a complex number. After now I am going to next section, that is third section. Simplify. So the first one is I square plus I power 4 plus I power 6 and so on plus 2n plus 1 terms. Second one is I power 18 minus 3 into I power 7 plus I square into 1 plus I power 4 into minus I whole power 26. I power 18 minus 3 into I power 7 plus I square into 1 plus I power 4 into minus I whole power 26. We have to simplify in these two terms. First, now I am going to first one, that is I square plus I power 4 plus I power 6 and so on plus 2n plus 1 terms. 2n plus 1 terms. This will be written as I square plus I square whole square plus I square whole cube and so on plus 2n plus 1 term, where I square is minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole cube and so on plus 2n plus 1 terms will take. That we have to written as minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square is 1. After we will take minus 1 whole cube means minus 1 and so on plus 2n plus 1 terms will take. We will observe. Let n is equal to 1. Let n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Then 2n plus 1 terms are odd number of terms. Odd number of terms. We will observe in this one. First I will take n is equal to 1. We have to substitute in this one. 2 1s 2, 2 plus 1 will become 3. After we have to substitute n is equal to 2. We have to substitute in this 2. That means 2 2s 4, 4 plus 1 will become 5. After we have to substitute n is equal to 3. 2 3 6, 6 plus 1 also 7. N we have to substitute 1 2 3 and so on. 1 2 3 4 5 and so on will become. Then the given number of terms is odd number of terms. That means 2n plus 1 means odd number of terms will take. Here this is the first term. This is the first term will take. This is the second term will take. This is the third term will take. Here first term also minus 1 or also third term also minus 1 means finally that we have to written as minus 1 plus 1 plus minus 1 and so on plus 2n plus 1 terms. 2n plus 1 terms. Where the odd terms? Here also odd term is minus 1. Here also odd terms is minus 1 means finally the value that will become minus 1 will write. Minus 1 will write. Okay, Nana. Now I am going to second one. That is I power 18 minus 3 into I power 7 plus I square into 1 plus I power 4 into minus I whole power 26 will write. We'll observe in this one. I power 18 that must be written as I square whole power 9 minus 3 into I power 7 that I have written as I square whole cube into I. 2 3 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. After I will write remaining is I square into 1 plus I power 4 must be written as I square whole square. Remaining minus I whole power 26 minus I whole power 26 minus number of terms whole power even is always even number that I will write. That means here I have to write in this one. Minus I whole power 26 will become I power 26. Negative number whole power even number is always positive that I will write. Here I power 26 that must be written as I square whole power 13. We have to expand in this one where I square is minus 1. Minus 1 whole power 9 minus 3 into I square is minus 1 whole cube into I plus where I square is minus 1 into 1 plus I square is minus 1 whole square. Remaining is minus 1 whole power minus 13 will write. That means minus 1 whole power 9 odd number is minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Remaining is I. Plus into minus will become minus. Remaining is 1 plus. Here the given value is 1. 1 unna okate lekuna okate. Minus 1 square is 1. And also will take minus 1 whole power 13 will become minus 1. That must be minus 1. Minus into minus plus 3 1 3. 3 into I is 3i. minus into minus plus 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 3i will write. This is the given complex number. We have to simplify in this term. How to simplify in this terms? Given complex number is 1 plus 3i. Okay, Nana. Now I am going to fourth section. Already I will explain square root of a complex number in previous class. That is explained in previous class. After now I am going to fifth section. After now I am going to fifth section. Find the multiplicative inverses of the following complex number. The following complex number. Find the multiplicative inverses of the following complex number. Here the first one is root 5 plus 3i. After that the second one is minus I. After that the third one is I power minus 35 will given. Already I will note them this formula. The multiplicative inverse of a plus ib is, what is the formula means? A minus ib by a square plus b square. This is the given formula for multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of a plus ib is a minus ib by a square plus b square. Here the first one. The multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus I into 3 is, what I have to write in this one means root 5 minus I into 3 by, where a will become 5 root 5 whole square plus b is 3 square will write. That means root 5 minus 3i by square and root will be cancelled. Remaining is 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. That will be written as root 5 minus 3i by 14. This is the multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus I into 3. After now I am going to second one, that is minus I is given. Minus I, that I have to written as 0 plus I into minus 1 will write. The multiplicative inverse of 0 plus I into minus 1 is, plus will become minus will write. That means 0 minus I into minus 1 by, where a will become 0 square, b will become minus 1 whole square. That means minus into minus will become plus. That means I by 1, where I by 1 is must be equal to I. This is the multiplicative inverse of minus I. Multiplicative inverse of minus I is I. After now I am going to third one. I power minus 35 is given. First I have to change in this one into a complex number, that I will write 1 by I power 35. That must be written as 1 by I power 34 into I. That is equal to 1 by I square whole power 17 into I will write. Where I square is must be equal to minus 1. That means 1 by minus 1 whole power 17 into I. That is equal to minus 1 whole power 17 will become minus 1. Minus 1 into I is minus I. Rationalization, numerator and denominator with I. That must be written as I by minus I square. minus I square is must be equal to minus 1. Minus of minus 1 will become plus 1. I by 1 is equal to I. Already in this problem, the multiplicative inverse of minus I will become I. The multiplicative inverse of minus I will become I, as well as the multiplicative inverse of I is also minus I will write, where I is equal to I power 35 is minus I. Here we have to write the multiplicative inverse of I power 35 is minus I. This is the given multiplicative inverses. Now I am going to second section in first problem. If a plus ib whole square is equal to x plus iy, find x square plus y square. If a plus ib whole square is equal to x plus iy, find x square plus y square. That means already we know that the formula for a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab will write. That means here also we'll take this one, a plus ib whole square is equal to x plus iy. How to expand in this one? A square plus I square b square plus 2 into a into ib is must be equal to x plus iy will write, where I square is must be equal to minus 1, where I square is equal to minus 1. That by how to written a square minus b square plus I into 2ab is equal to x plus iy. How to separate it in this one? This is the real part, this is the imaginary part. Comparing on both sides, we will get comparing on both sides. Comparing on both sides, we will get where we have to write the real and imaginary part. Where real part, x will become a square minus x. After that, imaginary part y will become 2ab. But in this problem, what I have to find out? Here I have to find out x square plus y square. That means where x is a square minus b square whole square plus y is 2ab whole square. That must be written as a square minus b square whole square plus 4a square b square. That is a square whole square. How to expand in this place? A square whole square plus b square whole square minus 4a square b square plus 4a square b square will write. Remaining is a power 4 plus b power 4. This is the given value. I am going to second problem in this one. This is the first problem. After now, I am going to second problem in this section. This is most important for 4 marks in public IP point of view. If x plus iy is equal to 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, then show that x square plus y square is equal to 4x minus 3. If x plus iy is equal to 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, then show that x square plus y square is equal to 4x minus 3. First, I have to separate it in this complex number into x and y. That I will write x plus iy is equal to 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. That means the conjugate of this is A, this is B will take. The conjugate of A plus IB is A minus IB. That I will write rationalizing the conjugate of 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. That will write 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by the denominator is 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. We have to multiply it in this one. That means 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by the denominator when it is of the form A plus B into A minus B. That I will write 2 plus cos theta whole square minus I square sin square theta will write 2, 3, 6. 3 into cos theta will become 3 cos theta minus 3i sin theta by the denominator. I have to expand in this one. That means 4 plus cos square theta plus 4 cos theta plus I square becomes minus 1, minus into minus is plus, remaining I will write sin square theta. This I have to written as 6 plus 3 cos theta minus 3i sin theta by the denominator I will write 4 plus 4 cos theta, remaining I will write sin square theta plus cos square theta. Already we know that the identity formula sin square theta plus cos square theta will become 1. That I have to written as 6 plus 3 cos theta plus I into minus 3 sin theta by this value becomes 1 means 1 plus 4 will become 5 plus 4 cos theta will write. That means we have to separate the real and imaginary part. That means 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta plus I into remaining that will be written as minus 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. This is the value of x plus iy will write. Comparing the real and imaginary part will get comparing real and imaginary part. Comparing real and imaginary part, we get what I have to write in this one, where x will become 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. After that, where y will become minus 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta will write. We know that the values x and y, we have to check it the given equation. I will take the LHS of given equation is LHS is equal to x square plus y square is given. And what about the value of x is 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. After that, remaining is minus 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Numerator of fraction it is of the form a plus b, that I will write 6 plus 3 cos theta whole square, that must be written as 36 plus 9 cos square theta plus 2ab. I will write 2 6 12, 12 3 is 36 cos theta, remaining that must be written as 9 sin square theta by, we have to expand that denominator. 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16 cos square theta, remaining 5 to 10, 10 4, 40 cos theta, that I will write. 5 4 20, 22 40. That means we will observe in this one 36 plus 36 cos theta, remaining in these two terms sin is common, that I will write sin square theta plus cos square theta. That denominator is 25 plus 25 plus 4 cos square theta, 16 cos square theta plus 40 cos theta. Here we will observe in this one sin square theta plus cos square theta will become 1. That means 36 plus 9 is 45. 45 plus 36 cos theta by cos theta by. There is no need to expansion that denominator. We have to write that one also. 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Here also I have to write that one also. 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Right. By the denominator is must be written as 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. In this numerator, I will common with the 9. 9 is common, remaining is 5 plus 4 cos theta by, the denominator is 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Square and 5 plus 4 cos theta will be cancelled. Remaining is 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. This is the value of LHS. After we have to find out the value of RHS, where RHS is 4x minus 3, that is 4 into x becomes 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus 3 will write. That means 6 4 24, 4 3 12 cos theta minus 3 5 15. Okay, 3 4 12 cos theta by, the denominator is 5 plus 4 cos theta will write. 15, 24 minus 15 I will write 9, remaining is plus 12 cos theta and minus 12 cos theta will be cancelled. The denominator is 5 plus 4 cos theta. We will observe both LHS and RHS will be equal. That I will write LHS is equal to RHS. The LHS value is x square plus y square, that must be equal to 4x minus 3. Now I am going to third problem in this section. if x plus iy is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, then show that 4x square minus 1 is equal to 0. We will observe in this one where x plus iy is equal to 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. The conjugate of 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, that must be written as 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. Will write by the denominator also 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta will write. That means 1 into 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta, that will be written as 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. The denominator is of the form a plus b into a minus b. I will write this one 1 plus cos theta whole square minus I sin theta whole square is right. That means 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by we have the option we have to write is square sin square theta will write by the denominator is of the form 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta, where I square will become minus 1, minus into minus is plus, remaining I will write sin square theta. That means 1 plus cos theta plus I into minus sin theta by, here we will observe cos square theta, this is sin square theta. The formula for cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Here also 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 cos theta I will write. That means here provided their real and imaginary part. 1 plus cos theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta. Their imaginary part I will write I into minus sin theta by, their imaginary part is 2 into 1 plus cos theta I will write, where 1 plus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta will be cancelled. Remaining is 1 by 2 plus I into minus sin theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta will write. Comparing the real and the imaginary part will get, this is the real part, this is the imaginary part will take, that is the real part will take x is equal to 1 by 2, imaginary part will take minus sin theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta will write. What is the proof of given one? I will take LHS, where given LHS is 4h square minus 1, where x I have to substitute in this one 4 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 1, 4 into 1 by 4 minus 1, 4 and 4 will be cancelled, remaining is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the value of RH. That I will write LHS is must be equal to RHS, where LHS is 4x square minus 1 is equal to 0. That is the proof of given one.